Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Isabel and I'm here with a new video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new to my channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a video by me. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions for me, like, let me know in the comment section down below. So for this video, I thought I would talk to you guys a little bit about my experience with selling something that was expensive on Mercari. So basically I was selling my camera. It's worth, like, right now on Amazon it's worth $600. This is the Canon T6i. It doesn't have the kit lens. If you guys don't know about cameras, basically this is like, I guess, it's like a more advanced camera. It's not like a point and shoot. So I got a new camera and I wanted to sell this one, but I couldn't. So that's where I'm gonna start on the story. So a little bit about this camera. So I don't know if I have it on. Oh, I think the battery died. Oh no, it's still on, but it has a touchscreen like the one that I have right now that I'm filming on, and it has the flippable screen. So if I wanted to film myself, like, I could just look at myself, and yeah. So it's a good camera. It's touchscreen. I like this camera and I wanted to let it go to somebody that I could, like, trust, like somebody like, oh, they're gonna use the camera, they're gonna take good care of it, because I usually take good care of my cameras. So it doesn't have the kit lens, it has another lens. Right now this camera retails for $600, around there, $700. It does not have the kit lens, so it's probably worth more. So what I did on Mercari, I ended up selling it for $300 or whatever. I think it was $446, but after the Mercari fees, it's like $386, something around that. So the dude was lowballing it. Like, he was really lowballing it super, like, a lot. But I ended up selling him the camera and I shipped it the next day, and like, I did everything quick, and I even, like, cut myself. I cut my finger because I was trying to send it to him quick, but so he got it really quick. And so I was waiting for my funds to get released to me. If you guys have never used Mercari, basically after they get, like, the box, like, they get the box delivered to them, they rate you and then you get your money. So I was waiting for that, for him to, like, just rate me and I could get the money. So I was waiting for that, but that never happened. And honestly, it was super frustrating, being, like, with Mercari and the Mercari support. Like, I don't know why everything has gone downhill with them. Like, it's just crazy. Anyways, so about the buyer, he did not rate me. He requested a refund 3 hours or 4 hours after he received the box, or after he received the camera, and he said that it was broken, which my camera was not broken. When I sent it with really, like, a lot of bubble wrap, and it said fragile on the box. So I don't understand why he would put that it was broken. And then for the pictures that he had as evidence, he basically said, oh, this camera is not good quality, and that he wanted a refund, that his Samsung Galaxy was way better quality. So I just thought it was, like, super petty. Like, it was so annoying, and I was really mad. Like, I was at the store with my sister and I didn't even want to tell her nothing. She was like, what's wrong? And I'm just like, ugh, like, don't talk to me right now. Like, I'm super mad because this guy, he's trying to get a refund because the camera doesn't take good quality pictures. So I'm like, okay, there's no way that he's gonna get a refund. So in my description I put good quality, it takes good quality pictures, and I even put, like, an example of it, and I put, yeah, Canon T6i. So yes, it does take good quality videos and photos. So I don't understand where this guy is getting that it's bad quality. So this camera, it has 24 megapixels around there, and his phone had like 12 megapixels. So I don't understand why he said that his phone took better pictures. So it was just really dumb. I think it was just, like, a really dumb way like to get a refund. It was just, yeah, it was just too dumb. So that's why I was mad. So there's no way that a phone with like 12 megapixels takes better pictures than this a professional camera. Like, come on now. So that was his evidence. He's like, I don't want a refund because it's not good quality. And yeah, in the description I put, oh, it takes good quality pictures. So yeah. So what ended up happening was Mercari asked me like, oh, what do you think? They told me like, we want your feedback on this refund. And I don't think I had signal, because usually when I go like to the city, because I live like in a small town, so usually when I go to the city I don't have signal. Sometimes I don't have signal. So like when they asked me for my feedback, I think I put, because I was mad, so I put, oh, it's not my fault that he doesn't know how to use a camera. So then after that it said that Mercari approved the refund. So I was like, what the, like, are you serious? Like, you're just gonna give him a refund because you said that it was bad quality? So obviously I was even more mad now, because now I got my $600 camera in the hands of someone else in California. And there's so many things that could go wrong. Like when you're getting a refund on Mercari, they send you a shipping label and all you do is put it on the box. So basically when you're getting a refund, they send you a shipping label to ship the item back, and Mercari pays for the shipping to ship the item back. So there's so many things that could go wrong during the return shipping process. Like, the package could get lost by the UPS. So I got $600 that I could lose in the UPS, or I think it was FedEx. So that could happen. And number two, they could package it wrong, because I like to package my packages where they don't arrive broken. Like, I bubble wrapped it. Like, I literally filled the box with bubble wrap. So I'm like, oh my god, like, so that's another thing that could go wrong. They could send it and it could break during the transit, and there you got it, you got a $600 broken camera. So another thing that could happen is they could send the box empty. And Mercari, obviously they weren't being so supportive, so I just felt like I'm gonna lose my camera. Like, I'm gonna lose $600 and he's gonna keep the camera and he's just gonna send me an empty box. Because some people are like that. Like, they will send an empty box with the shipping label. And obviously, like, Mercari wasn't taking my side. So I was obviously like super mad, because like, what the heck, I'm about to lose, like, in my head I'm like, I'm about to lose $600. Like, I didn't make anything from this. Like, I'm about to lose my money. And so everything turned out good. Like, I received my camera back, but like when the mailman came, like, he threw it on the floor. Like, it said fragile, but he still threw it by the gate, because my house has a gate. So I got my camera back and I got it safe, but there is so many things that could go wrong again during the process. So if you guys are selling on Mercari, like, you guys need to be aware that they're not always gonna take your side. Like, if they're gonna like request a return, like, I just think it's so dumb that that person got a return because I put good quality in the description, and he's all like, oh, it's not this camera is bad quality, it has bad quality pictures, and that it was broken. So he just like exaggerated and he got a return. So again, like, people could exaggerate like that on Mercari, so I don't feel like it's safe anymore. Like, I don't even feel safe like selling something that's $600. Like, I could lose so much money during the process, because all a buyer could do is just BS. Basically, he could just say, oh, well, I received a yellow shirt or whatever, because that's what it seemed like in this situation. So if you guys are gonna sell expensive items, just be careful, because obviously this was a very frustrating situation for me. Like, I was gonna show you guys the chats, but honestly, like, I don't even want to read the chats because it's so frustrating. It's super frustrating to me, like, going back to read it, because that's already basically in the past. Like it's frustrating to read it, because he got a return. Like, he got his return processed, even though it was just a dumb reason. And usually, like, again, you can't get a refund unless it's like counterfeit or the description doesn't match. So I ended up keeping my camera. I'm like, no, like a lot of people have tried to lowball me on it. Like they have been offering me like $280. Like I'm surprised they don't offer me $100 already, because people have been really lowballing me. So I decided to keep my camera because I do use it for TikTok. Even though I got the Canon G7X, I decided to keep both of the cameras, like just in case something happens to my Canon G7X, I could use the Canon T6i. And again, like I like the Canon T6i, like it's one of my favorite cameras. I had the Canon T3i before, but the Canon T6i, it's really good. It's a really good camera, and I could always change the lens on it. And yeah, like I like cameras. I don't know if you guys noticed by my channel, but I like cameras. Like I understand cameras and taking pictures and all of that. I'm a very like technical person, so yeah. So that is my story. Like I didn't want to make it so long, like it's only been 12 minutes. But yeah guys, be careful selling stuff, because oh my god, like Mercari is not even, the Mercari customer service doesn't even, like basically they suck now. And literally none of my posts have sold. Like I've been posting stuff like to sell, and nothing has sold. Like I don't know what they did, but ever since I started running ads, like my sales went down. Like I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So people lowballing me, like this customer got a refund for nothing. I don't know what's going on with Mercari, honestly. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and sorry if my voice sound like this. I'm sick. So like, comment, share. If you guys have any questions for me, or if you guys want me to do any type of video, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.